Hello friends, it's your girl Nina, and today we're going to be making banana bread. So let's get to it. Okay guys, let's get started. First we're going to add 1 1/3 cup of flour. Then we're going to add 3 eggs. Add a pinch of salt. Add 1 cup of sugar, of course. We're gonna use some ground cinnamon. Just however you want. 1 tablespoon or something. Spread all over there for the taste. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Tablespoon on it. If you want, you could add 1 cup of milk. We're gonna add 1 stick of butter. And of course, we're gonna add our mushed up 4 bananas. And let's give all of that a quick little stir. Okay y'all, let's get to mixing time. Smelling good so far. I cannot wait to eat this. I love banana bread. Let's mix it all good. Should be ready when it's like thick, like this. If there's a patch of butter or banana, that's fine. Doesn't really matter. Just mix. Okay. I think we're done mixing here, guys. Now it's ready. So let's set this aside. And now I have these extra ingredients for better taste. So you could use it. If you don't want to use it, that's fine. This is just, yeah, you don't have to do it. So let's start with the peanut butter. Let's get just however much you want peanut butter. Put it in there. A little bit more. And then we of course are gonna add honey. That makes it really sweet. Just add it around. This, I think that's enough. And then for some crunch or like extra, let's add some peanuts. I'm just gonna use my hand for this. Then we set it all over. Just a handful, that should be enough. And now, let's mix it again. This is looking yummy. Okay guys, I put a little dates in here so like have a little more taste to it. So let's mix it up again. And now that we're done, we're gonna put it inside the pan and we're gonna do it to 350 Fahrenheit, and it's gonna last 50 to 60 minutes. So let's pour it in this pan. Okay guys, now it's time for your chef to eat her homemade banana bread. So let's get to it. I have my banana bread right here. Looks really good. So crispy. Can't wait to try it. And then I got my milk right here. And then I also got my plate of banana bread. So let's dig in. I'm gonna take a bite. Let's see how it tastes. So good. It's crispy in the outside, but so delicious in the inside. If you followed my recipe step by step, then your banana bread is gonna turn out amazing. Bye guys, hope you like my recipe.